Project Management Status Reports Explained. A project status report is a repetitious report which includes project information such as critical efforts, progress, and risk. It is a snapshot of the current situation of a project that keeps all parties on the same page. From the project team's perspective, a well-created project status report always improves decision-making among the project team by uncovering issues. From the client's perspective, it provides information regarding the health of the project. Project teams prepare status reports after your project schedule is created and the project is in motion. Depending on the complexity and requirements, reports can be issued on a weekly or monthly basis. Reports can be internal or external to the organization. The detail level of an internal status report differs from the status report that is shared with the client. Because most of the time the client prefers a different level of detail in their status report than your internal team. Typically, a project status report includes but not limited to the following information: executive summary, completed tasks, tasks to be completed in the next period, milestone status, budget summary, risk performance, quality performance, HSE performance. A status report is an important communication tool that documents historical project information. You can use the recorded information for similar projects and avoid potential risks. How to create a project status report. No matter how often you prepare the report, the steps are the same. 1. Project name and client name. 2. Overall project cost. 3. Project vision. Project vision defines the main project goal in one sentence. Below are the examples for project vision. Design a website to increase online sales. Prepare a list of methods to guide the organization to save more energy. 4. Project health indicator. A project health indicator is used to provide an overview of the project's current status. You can use colors like red, green, yellow to indicate how good or bad status the project has. You can also use capital letters from A to Z for the same purpose. Another item that we highly recommend you to include an overall man-hour comparison to show how the project is performing against budgeted man-hour. The below figure demonstrates a comparison of budgeted man-hours, actual man-hours, and estimated total man-hours to completion. 5. What did we complete in this week/month? In order to keep this report short and effective, list the items in bullet format. For example, design and engineering works are completed. Phase 1 mechanical works are completed. The material delivery schedule is submitted. 6. What are we going to complete in the next week/month? Use the same format as the previous section. List the items in bulletin format. For example, perform commissioning of Phase 1. Plan the next process. Perform QA/QC testing. 7. Issues/bottlenecks. Issues and bottlenecks is one of the most important sections of the project status report template. This section lists the obstacles and issues keeping you from moving forward. Example: we are waiting for an urgent response from the client for the modifications of design package number 1. If we cannot receive the materials by August 3rd, we will be in jeopardy of not being able to catch up with the production schedule. If we don't get an official response from the client regarding the scope change, we will stop production in 1 week. 8. Upcoming tasks and milestones. List the upcoming tasks and milestones by providing dates. June 9th, testing and commissioning of Phase 1. July 11th, approval of QA/QC procedures. September 14th, receipt of design package 2. 9. Additional items. Below are some additional items you can put in the project status report template to provide a better view of your project. Project schedule analysis, delay analysis. List of completed deliverables. Action items. Pictures. Performance reports. Tips to create an effective status report. 1. Create a draft report and recognize the current status of your project. The first thing to do is to create a draft report before sending it to the client or share it with your team. Put everything related to the current status of your project inside the draft. This exercise will help you to analyze all the issues and performance indicators in order to understand where your project is going. 2. Tailor the report. After creating the draft and putting in all the necessary items, tailor the report to fit the requirements of your project team or the client. Ensure that the information you provide is consistent with the previous reports. All the information must be accurate and clear of errors. At this step, make double checks, correct grammar, punctuation, spelling, and formulation errors if you are creating the report by using a spreadsheet. 3. Send and deliver the report with adequate explanation. While sending the report via email, write an adequate explanation regarding the sections of the report. Bear in mind the below tips for success. Be kind and complimentary in your words. Deliver the reports timely. Be sure that the report is delivered to the right audiences. Reissue the report quickly if changes have been made. Deliver the report before the status meeting because it often serves as a general agenda for the meeting. Kindly answer the questions regarding the report and provide your responses timely.